By default, after you submit a question, ActivePresenter shows a feedback layer. You will navigate to the next slide, after clicking the Feedback Layers Continue button. In today's video, let's learn how to adjust the feedback layer's duration in ActivePresenter. Then, make your slides advance to the next slides automatically. First of all, access the View tab, and click Slide Master. Next, come to the question layout, and modify its appearance. Select the question placeholder, and customize its events actions. On each Show Feedback Layer action, tick the Hide After checkbox, and define the duration. For example, 8 seconds. It means, the feedback layer will last on the screen for 8 seconds. Remember to keep the blocking checkbox selected. Now, add the Go Forward one slide action, right after the Show Feedback Layer action. With the blocking option checked before, the slide will automatically navigate to the next slide, after the feedback layer is hidden. Adjust other settings if needed. Close the Slide Master view to save all the changes. Now, design your questions. Open the Feedback Master, and feel free to customize the feedback layers. To learn how to create and show specific feedback layers, refer to the video on the screen. Close the Feedback Master view. After that, select the corresponding feedback layers to questions. Repeat the steps if you have more questions. Finally, let's see what you've got. The feedback layer appears, and lasts for 8 seconds, before navigating to the next slide automatically. Thank you for watching.